first, we want to walk over to the grill because our friend Hugh Groman, hospitality expert, is at the grill. Great to have you on the show.
Hey there. Good to see you guys.
What are you doing over here?
So I'm starting out with a drink for you.
Okay.
We've got vodka with homemade honey mint lemonade.
Well, that's one way to start the party.
Hey, that's how you do it.
Boom, boom. It's just vodka with homemade honey mint lemonade, and the lemonade, I'm going to put the recipe on your website so you guys can learn how to make it yourselves.
Yep.
Great.
One for you guys, so I hope you drink.
This is a great little poolside drink, yeah?
And it's garnished with just a little bit of fresh mint. And now I'm going to give you guys some great barbecuing tips as well. Here, take those.
Okay, I'm going to take this.
Right.
All right.
I want to teach you guys how to cook a grilled New York strip and a piece of grilled salmon. And the trick is, with a New York strip, it's really easy. All it is a lot of salt and pepper. And use a good quality cut of meat, of course. And you see how I'm shaking my hand as I do this, creating a really even seasoning, okay? And then you just throw them right on the grill here. So
nice. Okay.
People think they need all these fancy rubs and sauces, but you just made it look real easy.
A good cut of meat. You do not want to mess it up. So I'm salting it on the other side. And then this one has already been in here for about 5 minutes. Okay. So you just turn it over.
Nice.
Look how beautiful that is. And this is a great trip. This is a salmon. And I did the same thing with the salmon. With the salmon, I put a little oil, and I gave it some salt and pepper.
Okay.
And then I just put it down, presentation side down. You see how that goes? Okay. And then I'm going to put some more salt on it. And then you don't have to mess with it at all. People are always struggling with trying to get the salmon to come off the grill. Yeah. And if you try to take it off the grill too soon, it will stick. Okay. But if you give it a good 5 minutes, we got, that came out okay. A little bit more oil next time.
So it's kind of like set it and forget it and just measure things.
You don't have to turn it because I closed the grill and then I let it cook like an oven. So the bottom gets grilled and then the salmon finishes in the heat from the grill. And then also I just wanted to show you guys this great salsa verde. It's a great sauce with the salmon or the steak. Okay. And all it is parsley, scallions, fresh lemon juice, capers, shallots, olive oil, and some salt and pepper.
Just basic stuff you can make at home.
So good. So here, I'm gonna give you guys one of these to taste.
Okay, you do such simple ingredients, and it works.
Simple, quality ingredients. Keep it easy so that you have a good time too.
I had to switch with Big Al because I know he likes to eat, so I'm gonna let him have a little tasty taste.
Boom. Okay. I think you're gonna like that.
Will I offend you if I tell you I don't like fish?
No, you might offend the fish, but I honestly don't think he cares anymore.
I feel like you're right.
You know, don't worry about her.
But people have converted over for me with the people who don't eat beef sometimes eat my beef.
Okay, he's saying that he might convert me.
It's the right amount of salt. It's fresh and delicious. Try that.
Okay, I have not eaten seafood. Well, I mean, I just say I hate fish, and in all honesty, I really haven't eaten that much fish in my lifetime. Okay, I can't even believe I'm doing this here. Take this.
You'll say, wow.
This is like a big deal.
I'm in charge now. No, just do it. Just embrace it.
So talk about the other tips that you have as well.
I actually like it.
We'll talk about the other tips that you have for grilling just in general. People out there trying to get their grill on right now.
Yeah, okay. Get the grill nice and hot before you start. Scrape it, get it nice and clean. If your grill's not hot enough, your food's gonna stick to the grill. Don't mess around with it too much. Don't smash your hamburgers. Don't try to move them around. Leave it alone. Keep it as simple as possible. And if you give the fish enough time to cook, I obviously didn't do a great enough job, but if I had put a little bit more oil on that fish and just let it sit there for 5 minutes, it would just have come up really easy off the grill.
Oh, just all the moisture and everything's intact, yeah?
Yeah. And the fact that I didn't have to turn it halfway through gives you that if you turn it, then you have this chance of it falling to pieces. So cut the pieces into manageable sizes so you're not trying to take this huge piece of salmon and turn it over. That's impossible.
All right, Hugh converted me. I had salmon. It was delicious. And you can find the recipe for this lemonade on our website, which you have to have this summer mixed up with your vodka. The Hugh Groman Group, 510-647-5165, HughGromanGroup.com. And you can also find him on Facebook and Instagram.
Fantastic.